Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over Bergerdoge. It could be Berger, I'm not sure exactly how it's pronounced, but it looks like Berger, B-E-R-G-E-R space Doge. Now this token is trending number 12 right now. They're about to start their pre-sale on pinksale.finance in about 1 day. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it even after the pre-sale is over in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. Bergerdoge. It's probably Berger. I'm going to pronounce it wrong the whole video, but whatevs. You guys know what I'm saying anyways. So they do have a full audit. So they were audited by Solid Proof, and you can view the PDF of that audit on PinkSale. They also have a KYC, which means their team was doxed to Solid Proof to verify who they are for security reasons. For socials, they have a Telegram, Twitter, Facebook, GitHub, official webpage. They even have a little embedded YouTube video trailer that you could watch on PinkSale. So it says, Bergerdoge coin is a decentralized, community-focused cryptocurrency with daily super value rewards. You can increase your profits by simply holding Bergerdoge, 4% of each transaction divided among loyal holders. In addition to whoever buys Bergerdoge, there will be a chance to receive an extremely large reward. The rewards will be distributed every 2 days. 1% of each transaction goes to the rewards pool. We are developers with a big vision, and Bergerdoge coin is a long-term project. Be a smart investor. So it looks like it's going to be a public pre-sale. It doesn't say whitelist only or anything like that. It says max contribution is 2 BNB. So Bergerdoge coin is the name of the token, and Bergerdoge, all one word, is the ticker symbol. 9 decimal places on this token. Very large amount of tokens here. So that is 1 million, billion, trillion, 420 quadrillion tokens. 262 quadrillion tokens go to pre-sale. 136.895 quadrillion tokens go to liquidity. So soft cap for this pre-sale is going to be 50 BNB. There is no hard cap, so sky is the limit basically. And a pre-sale is going to go for, looks like 1 full day. So it starts November 4th, which is tomorrow. November 4th, 13 hours UTC time, and goes till November 5th, 13 hours UTC time. Now, if you missed the pre-sale, you still want to get the token, no worries. You can get the token shortly after the pre-sale is over on PancakeSwap. And liquidity is going to be locked on PancakeSwap for 1,825 days. So that's a pretty lengthy liquidity lock. I like to see that. Now their token metrics pie chart here says 62.38% of the tokens go to pre-sale. 32.59% of the tokens go to liquidity. 4% of the tokens go to central exchange listings, and 1% go to airdrop. Pretty good straightforward token metrics there. Now, there is a quick audit by InterFi Network in the discussion section, and there's no bad warnings on it or anything like that. It says, no mint function found. Owner cannot mint tokens after initial deployment. Owner cannot set the max transaction amount. Owner cannot pause trading. And yeah, that's about it. So it has all good check marks there. No warnings or anything that you need to be aware of. So Bergerdoge coin is a decentralized, community-focused cryptocurrency with daily super value rewards. If you go to their webpage, there is a full white paper there. You can check that out if you'd like. It is a V1.0. So it was created in October 2022 with being With the goal of being a decentralized meme project with a true purpose, Bergerdoge's mission is to bring popular cryptocurrency concepts to the mainstream. Unlike older comparable projects, Berger introduces holders to next-gen concepts such as participation rewards. Just holding and buying tokens will give you the opportunity to participate in very valuable rewards. So, transparency and community. Bergerdoge is ownerless, fully decentralized, and supported by its community of enthusiasts. Free, open, and frank communication is encouraged within the community's supporters so that everyone willing can be informed or even participate in every step of Bergerdoge's growth. Multiple independent free group efforts in development, community self-managed, and more are strongly encouraged. So trust in the cryptocurrency market, trust is paramount. That means full transparency, not only the community support and development, but also security effort. Examples include top-grade audits of Bergerdoge's code, liquidity tokens being burnt to strongly reduce any risk of malicious behavior, and then longevity. Bergerdoge is in it for the long haul. The decentralized community is fostering long-term development of the ecosystem, which will result in real use cases, greater rewards, and a popularity beyond any temporary trends. So, Bergerdoge is a BEP20 token which started on the Binance Smart Chain. The max supply is 420 quadrillion. For every active user transaction, 4% of the Bergerdoge reward is granted to holders in a decentralized wallet only, fostering a healthy distributed network and community usage. So let's go to the taxes here. We'll figure that out here. So it says buy and sell tax is 4%. And no, what is going on here with this? It's a weird way. Transactions will be used for rewards. It doesn't actually even say what the full tax is. It looks like it says 4. It might even be 11% for buying tax. And then it might be 12% for sell tax. But it actually doesn't, it looks like their white paper is not completed where it says what they're going to. I'm going to see if it's on their webpage here. They do have a pretty lengthy roadmap. They're going to come out with some NFTs eventually. They're going to be on central exchanges. Let's see here. They're going to have a CERTIC audit eventually. Now, on their webpage, let's see if it says the tax here. Okay, it's on their webpage. For some reason, it is not on their white paper, but it says buying taxes, 4% goes to holder rewards, 4% marketing, 2% project development, and then the 1% the lottery rewards. So 4% I'm assuming is reflections, and then the lottery rewards is the one where they give it away like in that certain period of time. And then sell tax is increased, it looks like, by 1%. And there is project development. What's increased here? Added liquidity is increased, so 1% added liquidity. And that's about it. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section what do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is, and check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Get yourself some free crypto. Before we wrap this video up here, I'd just like to tell you about today's sponsor, the Beehive multi-token crypto wallet. It's an easy to navigate wallet with low listing fees, low outgoing fees, quick sign-in with added optional TFA for added security. It offers 24-hour support. The wallet supports a ton of coins like Dogecoin, Dingo Coin, Bitcoin, etc. The wallet offers earning features as well, such as Beehive staking and masternodes. All links to the Beehive wallet, including the download link, will be pinned to the top of the comment section down there. So make sure you check it out. Amazing wallet, the Beehive wallet. Thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace.